Video, I'm going to show you how you can customize your WordPress admin login page so that you move from this boring login page to this beautiful login page. This is exactly what we are going to achieve in this very tutorial. So if you like what you have seen and want to customize your WordPress admin login page, keep watching. Having logged into my website, the next thing I want to do is come over to plugins, click on add plugin. Under search plugins, I search for WordPress. This is the plugin we are going to use. I click on install now. It is installed. I go ahead and activate. The plugin is installed successfully. Now let's come over to the WordPress admin menu. We have WordPress here. Upon hover, I click on customizer. I go down, I skip this step, and it will open up in my theme customizer. And this is where I can customize the entire login page. I can choose a template, change the background, change the WordPress logo, and many other features. I'll start with the WordPress logo. So if I don't want this logo, I'll just go ahead and click on the pencil icon here. And this way I select my logo. I click on select image. I have my logo here. I select it. Then I go ahead and choose image. And it is right there. Next, I want to change the background. So I click on change background here. And from here, you can choose an image as your background. At the moment, this particular image is selected. If I choose this, you see it at the background, and this is cool. But for this demonstration, I'm going to use color as my background. So I click on select color. Then in here, I go ahead and enter my color. And I'll be using this color code. And you see that the color has not been applied. So what I need to do is go ahead and disable this feature right here, that is enable background image. So if I toggle it off, you see the color. Awesome. One thing I can also do is change the button color to match with my background color so that the colors will be consistent. So I click on the pencil icon under button, the button color, I click on it, and I go ahead and enter in my color code. And you see that my button is having a border color. So here I want to go ahead and change the color to black. Awesome. The hover color, I'm going to go ahead and use the same yellow color. However, this time around, I'm going to go ahead and make it a little bit darker. Like this. You can also customize the form background color if you want. So if I click on the pencil icon here, I can enable form transparency. I don't want to use the transparency. I take it off. I just want to show you. You can equally use an image as the form background. Here, I'm going to go ahead and use a color. So I click in here, then I'm going to go ahead and make it black. And you see that my text is no more standing out. So what I'm going to do is scroll down to input field labels. So here I have input field label color. That is the colors here. If I click in here, I'm going to go ahead and use my yellow color. We also have the remember me label color. And I'm going to go ahead and use the same color. Awesome. Register and then lost your password. I customize it by clicking on the pencil icon. And take note, that is the footer color. So I click on it and I'm going to go ahead and use black. Also, back to site, I can change it to black as well. For privacy, I'll leave it as search. Going down, we also have the WordPress footer text. That is the text here. If you don't want to show it, you just go ahead and disable it from here. Awesome. And now my login form is done. Then I click on publish. It is published. I exit out of here. It should be noted that there are other settings you can perform from the settings section. For this demonstration, I'm not going to go into them. I just want to show you how you can customize your WordPress admin login page. So now if I log out of my website, this is how my login page will look like. Isn't this cool? So that's it on how you can customize the WordPress login page. I hope you found value from the tutorial. If you did, kindly click on the like button, subscribe if you are new here, and enable the notification bell so that you don't miss my future videos. In the meantime, stick around to watch another video from the channel. Keep watching and I'll see you in the next one.